extremely exciting Vietnam. ISB Vietnam to expand mobile potential. ISB Vietnam to expand ICT capabilities. And ISB Vietnam to open future. World. Technology. Leading edge. Information. World Techstream. Android Cafe International.
Hi everybody, welcome to World Techstream A Cube special program. Okay, now we are broadcasting from Computex Taipei OSF special booth. Okay, and I'm Mark Mueller, the chairman of Open Embedded Software Foundation. And today I invited one special guest from Japan, Mr. Takahiro Kikuchi-san. Okay, he is a Nikkei IT Pro producer. Welcome. Okay.
Thank you for kind introduction, Miura-san.
Okay, so first, no one knows what is A-Cube. Okay, this is the abbreviation of Android Application Award. Would you please explain just a little about what is A-Cube? Okay.
Yes, thank you for kind introduction. And I appreciate OESF's contribution and collaboration with our award. I want to introduce our competition briefly now. We launched this Android Application Award in 2009, about 2.5 years ago. And when we launched this competition, there are two major motivation. The first one is to encourage Japanese smartphone applications to deploy in global market.
To deploy global market.
Yes,
Yeah,
not only in Japan,
yes.
But also the global market.
Okay.
So because we had many experiences in the mobile internet since we launched with NTT Docomo launched iMode service year 1999. So we hope these many experiences will transform into smartphone world.
New era.
Yes, yes. And another motivation is to extend a smartphone ecosystem in the smartphone world. So when we started this competition, there was just one smartphone devices, Android smartphone device in Japan.
I see, yeah. Okay.
So we have many, we have very few information and experience in the smartphone. So I want to encourage the smartphone application provider to exchange the information and the knowledge. These are two motivations.
Okay.
And these are winners. So we had three competitors. It's an annual event. And we had a special event last year after the large earthquake.
Yeah.
Yes. And today we welcome three winners in this event.
Yeah, we invited three, contest winners. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Is this the special session for the focus to the idea section? Okay. We invited
yes.
award winners.
We have two categories. The one is application,
yes.
and the others are just idea.
Idea.
Yes.
Okay.
So today, idea category.
Yeah.
So three winners has come.
Okay. All right. Okay. The next session we will get some presentation from those winners. Okay. Let's move on. Wow, Techstream A-Cube Special.
World. Technology. Leading edge. Information. World Techstream. Android Cafe International. Extremely exciting Vietnam. ISB Vietnam to expand mobile potential. ISB Vietnam to expand ICT capabilities. And ISB Vietnam to open future.
Hi, welcome back. The World Techstream A-Cube Special. Okay, we will introduce the first award winner, the Mr. Ishida Katsumi-san. Welcome. He's the freelance programmer. It's freely making the Android application. Yeah, you're one of the winner of our A-Cube, the idea contest. Okay, first. Congratulations and welcome to this program.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. We would like to get some presentation from him. Okay. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. I don't know the real title. Okay. And the Qden, ADK, and me. That is the president title. Okay. Ready? Go.
Hello everyone. My name is Katsumi Ishida, freelance programmer. Electronic works is only my hobby. I'm amateur in the hardware field, but I exhibited my works as maker. Do you know maker? May Tokyo Meeting 07 exhibited my works, and Google Developer Day Tokyo I works exhibited. Today's first, what is Qden? The merit of, second thing, merit of Qden. Third thing, what does Qden work? And what is ADK, my works, and if time remains, I show you my works using ADK. Let's go. Qden's key device is Qden box. Qden box is simple cradle type battery charger and a USB cable connect to Android device. The Qden is Chinese character there. In Japanese, it means power supply. Qden is power supply. Qden provides a power supply for Android device. In the world, there are many kind of power supply system and charging spot. いろいろあります。ワイヤレスパワーサプライシステム、NTT ドコモさん。フリーチャージングシステム、こんなものもあります。But problem is dead battery of Android phone when outgoing. To find charging spot very difficult. We need more and more charging spots, and Qden system solve this problem. Qden basic concept is power supply plus advertising. That means to provide power supply in exchange for customers viewing advertising. So, like web page advertising in anchor point for advertising web page. Blogger paste anchor point for advertising his web page, and visitor view advertising make his income. Qden, that's the same thing in Qden. Shop owner anchor point for advertising to his power supply. Customer get power supply and view advertising. That make shop owners income. Shop owner will get income per customers viewing advertising. This is a shop owners intensive to set up a Qden system on his shop. Then, customer can find out charging spot very easily, because more and more Qden power supply spots, and he can find 8 web map system. For advertising delivery. Currently, many advertising delivery system based on phone ID and personal information. Problem personal privacy of smartphone user is occurred. But Qden no need personal information and establish an effective advertising. Then, how does it work? Point 1, using customer's Android phone while viewing advertised by Qden application. Charge phone from Qden box. Qden box has little more intelligence than the other battery chargers. First, unique ID related with location of shop and available to monitor of advertising viewing. And now, step 1. In first step, Android phone connect to Qden box, use USB cable to Qden box, put in shop. Then, second step, Qden box will present the URL of application supported Qden for Android phone. Kickstart, download and kickstart application. Next, Qden application based on Qden ID of Qden box plays advertising contents from advertising delivery server. Last step, Qden box check presence or absence of ad viewing. Turn on or off power supply to Android phone. Qden can delivery advertise to customers who are now and there with no personal information. This means for advertisers, target customers who are now and there. No need personal information, which may violate person's privacy. Use only shop location information. And now, I use Qden box, Qden system is sorted out, forecast indicates power supply capability. AD cable from AD cables to Android power supply capability. ADK, do you know? Android Open Accessory Development Kit. Allow external USB hardware to interact with Android powered device. Was published for first at Google I/O 2011. This is first demo of physical maze game controlled by Android. First Android board is made, making company is in Japan, RT Corporation. And various ADK boards are in the market. Arduino Mega ADK made in Italy. Happy series made in Japan is smallest ADK board in the world. And RT ADK Mini AT Corporation, and so on. Normally USB connection, PC is host, Android is device, as storage device. Normally USB connection pattern is this. The next Android connection external device is host mode. Android is host. The many other device, mouse and keyboards and USB storage and serial COM device is device. And using ODG cable. This is host mode. ADK use accessory mode. In this case, device, Android is device, and the external USB device is host. Next, my works, ADK. Another works, gadget, Dreamweaver, wave physical instrumental of to generate water on wave, and H2H, and so on. This is Dreamweaver at DDD, wave generation machine. Oh. ちょっと見ますか？見る時間ありますか？Show it. This is Dreamweaver demonstration movie. Vibration unit is finger. Many frequency water wave generate. Android control, Arduino. Many configuration of unit. Many patterns experience available. Dreamweaver. I think ADK's essential features of serial connection and power supply and kickstart Android application at connection. Most important features, second, power supply. Then I think out to them. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ida-san. Okay, great presentation. Okay, this is a good idea for the business idea. Using the recharge the battery for the smartphone and at the same time to provide the advertisement to the customers. Is that right? Okay. Is there any comment from the
Yes, yes. Battery charging is a very, very critical issue
I see.
in
Yeah.
smartphones.
I
So
have to charge today.
yes, so we hope many retailers or any other shops will introduce this kind of
I see.
service.
Mhm.
So I may ask
Oh, yeah, of course.
questions.
Yeah.
So do you discuss with the retail shops or manufacturers at this moment?
Not bad. Not bad.
I did not, but some company meeting now.
Okay, this is a very good chance
Yes.
to promote your idea
So
and
this
your
is a great
prototype.
opportunity.
Yeah, the many people and the many people watching this stream. Yeah.
よろしくお願いします。
Yeah, if anyone interested in this type of application idea and device idea and service idea, okay, please contact to us. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Hi. All right, let's move on. World Techstream A-Cube Special.
World. Technology. Leading edge. Information. World Techstream. Android Cafe International. Extremely exciting Vietnam. ISB Vietnam to expand mobile potential. ISB Vietnam to expand ICT capabilities. And ISB Vietnam to open future.
Hi, welcome back. The World Techstream A-Cube Special. Okay, we invited the next presenter, Mr. Masahiko Kuwawara-san. Okay, welcome. Okay, and he's still student, Chuo University student. Okay. All right, his presentation is Waraji. The past, only Japanese people can understand Waraji. But it's a very traditional shoes in Japan. Okay. That is Waraji. That is a new word, the Waraji. Okay. It's walking rehabilitation assistance system using Android and portable sensors. Okay. Are you ready to present your idea? Okay. All right. Oh, let's go. Start. Go.
Today I will introduce our new product. It is WARAZI. WARAZI is an acronym of Walking Rehabilitation Assistance System. WASI is a rehabilitation system including an Android application and a portable sensor unit. WASI aims to partner with exercise together and support or cheer up your exercise. So WASI takes his name from waraji, which is Japanese traditional footwear. When waraji said in English, it is a straw sandal. This sandal has supported the feet of the Japanese people from all the time. So I thought this name fits our product. I hope our waraji can support the feet of modern people. So waraji has two unique functions. First is real-time play system, and second is anytime, anywhere you can exercise. So first is real-time play system. This system can cheer up your exercise on the real time. So you can save coaching and encouragement depending on your effort. And great point, you get the plated and Android devices which you have in your hand. And second is anytime, anywhere. To realize the real-time play system, we developed a unique sensor unit. This sensor has a variety of twists to form, like this, this. Yeah. Thank you. For example, this insole unit, you can insert your shoe. If you can exercise with your favorite shoe, I'm sure you will have more happy. Moreover, you will succeed to produce a very portable assistance system by using our Android app and portable sensor. Therefore, it means to be able to realize the best rehabilitation activities that do not choose the time and the place. So you can do your exercise on your own rhythm and do not swayed by anyone. And the base technology of our real-time play system is the detailed information receiving from the sensor unit. This information includes the useful data which can measure your walking analysis. This data is comprised of a pair of 3 kinds of sensors and 15 dimensions values. Okay, this is introduction. Rehabilitation support is just in an adult. Aging society and lifestyle related to disease causes many patients with disease, and many of them have a handicap like one-sided paralysis. In order to recover this handicap, it is necessary to do rehabilitation activities, so the demand of rehabilitation is increasing now. Patients need continuous activities for effective rehabilitation. But many of patients do not do the activity continuously because many of the rehabilitation menus are monotonous and hard for the patient. So they cannot have the motivation for rehabilitation activities. And the patients who work a long time cannot feel their rehabilitation progress. So in this case, patients have a dissatisfaction and cannot have the motivation. In order to solve this problem, we think we require the assistant to watch and work together. If we cheer up and encourage the patient's activities, and he praises a patient effort concretely, patient can get motivation for the rehabilitation activities. So we think this assistant who can watch, praise, and work together can be realized by using the Android. The Android is able to assist patients in rehabilitation activities anytime, anywhere. And in order to place the patient's effort concretely, we developed a unique sensor unit. By these devices, patients can give their own assistance. I'm sure a patient can get motivation for the rehabilitation activities. So first is real-time play system. WASI has 3 moves. This three modes support you from the various viewpoints. Training mode coaches and players to use that on the real time, and real-time play system is implemented in this mode. On this display, sorry, this is a Japanese one. There are some words which speak to users. However, the user does not watch this. Listen this. Because you often get into danger when you watch the cell phone and walking. Especially if you have iPhone and Android. Therefore, other coaches use it by speaking. It is best way, I think. And stream sensor unit provides various data. While they uses this data to coach and praise users. For example, a user who has a paralysis on the right side of the body and he wants to rehabilitation the affected side, he should exercise for the right side. So one of them measures the contact time, length, left and right on and coaches exercise for right. The second is record mode. The mode logs user rehabilitation progress every day. After the activities, the user puts the end terminal somewhere. Then Wazi records users looking movie. At the time, Wazi can record the visible information like the movie and invisible information like the sensor data. So user can get both information that is synchronized. And the input upon Wazi can realize this function by portable device. Until now, if you want to get the same data, you should go to the measurement room and you must wear the marker and you must exercise the narrow courses. But what casts off the constraints? Schedule mode can upload the record and allow the families to show the record. Families can leave some comments to the records. Recorded data are saved and controlled, and Wazi can upload this data to show the physical surface, family, and friends by using an Android Internet function. The user can receive the praise from the actual human who watches uploaded data. If you receive the praise from families, I'm sure a user gets motivation for exercise. But if user sabotages the exercise, user may be able to get These three modes support you from various input views. Okay, I introduce the second important function. Wazi is really portable for rehabilitation assistance. The sensor unit contains a combination of INSO type sensor unit and band type controller unit. This can easy to bring out. Yes, bring out. Can easy. As you see. And then Android devices can easily bring out too. So what the other is a perfect portability. And you do not choose the time and place. Therefore, you can do that exercise on your own rhythm and do not swept by anyone. And second, Wazi is very simple to use as the regular step is only 3. As I insert, bind, and wear. So I try to wear here. Please look me. First is insert my shoe. Okay. どこに置こうかな。The second is bind. Okay. The third is unroot. Cool. Where? So, okay, final, finish, let's start. Thank you. As you see, otherwise it's very simple to use. To realize the portability, we developed the wireless communication by using Bluetooth. If the measurement sensor and represent devices are wired, the merit of the wearable sensor is spoiled. So wireless uses Bluetooth and communicate with the wireless. Okay, next I will speak some implementation details. Wireless is divided by 3 subsystems. The first block is major block, and second is a control block, and third is a representation block. Yes. Involved on working analysis, they pick up some important elements: working speed, pace, and centered and gauge cycle and at all. We are developing our sensor unit to measure their important elements. And we successfully developed an original sensor unit that uses 3 kinds of sensor and can be measured 50 dimensions data, like this. And second block is control unit. We create a control unit which can bind your ankle. As a result of some prototyping and wearing experiments, band type shape is better than the pack in a box. Band is better. The components of this unit are micro SD card, battery, and Bluetooth module and microcontroller. This module width is less than 30 millimeters. The micro SD can log the working data from the long time, but it can log this data more than 300 hours. And this small battery can provide power for 4 hours and in real-time place mode as the prototype firmware. Microcontroller sits on our unique design board I made. That's its conclusions. This is all my presentation about Wallace, real-time based system, and anytime, anywhere you can exercise. I'm sure with Wallace can assist you exercise more effectively. Thank you very much for kind attention.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay. The first of all, I mistaken to call you the name. Again, introduce you the Masahiko Kubara-san.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Sorry, I'm sorry. And it's a great presentation, and to the rehabilitation assistance,
yes,
or using the special sensor and the Android machine. Yes. Okay. Would you please show the your prototype machine to the all audience? Show the camera. And the front, okay, and the backwards.
Yes.
Okay. The many sensors, tail.
Yes.
All right. It work over 300 hours.
And log support.
Log strength. Okay. Great. Is this developed by yourself or your team in your university?
Most of these works are alone.
Oh, you alone? Okay.
Yes. So I made these sensors shapes and PCB board and firmware and other them all.
Oh, awesome. Great work, big work. Okay. Is there any comment, Kisan?
Yes, Japan is going to aging society. So someday this system will help us.
Many have a problem. So to how to make a rehabilitation and something like that.
Yeah.
It's a very good chance to make a big business. Okay. If you have some message to the all of our audience, okay,
Yeah.
please, please help me to make a real product.
Yes.
Okay? Yeah.
Yes.
That's all.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Wow, Techstream, AQ Special. Go next.
World. Technology. Leading edge. Information. World Techstream. Android Cafe International. Extremely exciting Vietnam. ISB Vietnam to expand mobile potential. ISB Vietnam to expand ICT capabilities. And ISB Vietnam to open future.
Hi, welcome back. Wow Techstream, A-Cube Special. The last presenter is the Grand Prix winner. Okay, I'd like to introduce Mr. Takashi Tsuchiya, the co-founder of Relation Corporation Inc. Okay, no
Okay,
title.
okay.
Okay, yes. Please introduce yourself. Okay, and let's go to the presentation. Go ahead.
Hello, everyone. Ni hao. Thank you for your time today. I'm delighted to introduce our new service. Before we get started, allow me to introduce myself briefly. My name is Takashi Tsuchiya from Relations Incorporated in Japan, and in charge of the service, I introduce now. To tell the truth, I make a presentation of this service overseas for the first time. In that case, this is a historical day for us. Let's get started my presentation. Today, let me talk about compact bicycle sharing using Android. It is not usual bicycle sharing service, but new bicycle sharing service. Please look at this photo. In Japan, the train is so crowded in the morning, and many people are fed up with this situation. The train in the morning is like, whoa. One of the solutions for the problem is bicycle sharing, I think. Bicycle sharing service is you can ride and return bicycle in every station. We have reinvented this bicycle sharing service. In the world, you can see a lot of bicycle sharing services. For example, it is the photo in Paris, and it is a bicycle sharing in New York City. Taipei has had bicycle sharing service too. You can see this bicycle sharing service around this building. U-Bike. Bicycle sharing service has become popular all over the world. Of course, Japan has had bicycle sharing service already. But in Japan, it does not spread. Why? What is the problem? Bicycle sharing is not rooted in Japan. Here it is. This is information management system communicating with server. The problem is that it needs large space and large investment. In Japan, country is not large, and there are a lot of buildings in the town, so there are no space to set such a big system, and the more we set it, the more we have to pay money, so we can't set a lot of them. How can we solve it? How are we going to set a lot of sharing bicycles in Japan? It's simple answer. We can change the system from large to small, compact. We solve the problem with creating new system which needs only small space and small investment. Then, how can we realize it? This is a big system. The function is information management and communicating with server. What is the other object which has the same function? Information management and communicating with server. Technology makes progress. The solution is smartphone, Android. We convert this big system into small Android phone. This is our bicycle sharing service. Now, let's introduce our new service. We are calling it Kogu. Kogu is new bicycle sharing service using Android. This is original key device communicating with Android via Bluetooth. You can operate the key using Android, and we can get all of the information about rental. How to use? You touch the button on Android screen and can open the key. Server gets the information. Rental. Firstly, you lock the key by hand, and you touch the button on Android phone, and server gets the information. We need bicycle you can buy, and original key device, and your Android phone to start bicycle sharing service. Thanks to Kogu, you don't need big system. If you look and compare Kogu to some usual system, space is about 1/10 and investment cost is about 1/4. Kogu is far ahead of any other services. So rather than talk about this some more, let me show its prototype to you. This is original key device. I brought it from Japan, and this is Android phone. We need bicycles, but we couldn't bring the bicycle. I wanted to bring bicycles, but airplane's cabin attendant declined my offer. Sorry. So using two objects, I introduced our service. Firstly, I touch the button on Android. Yeah, again. Touch the button on Android. Now open the key and return. Lock the key by hand and touch the button on Android. Server gets the information. That's all. It's simple system. If you have a chance to use Kogu, you'll agree that we have reinvented this bicycle sharing service. We will set a lot of sharing bicycles in the town. For example, in front of the building, office building, apartment, station, and convenience store, and so on. And user can ride bicycle freely everywhere. And we will spread it all Japan. If Japan has a lot of Kogu, the situation will be disappeared, I think. And now, during the experiment using this prototype in Japan's university, but Kogu will mass produced for the public in spring 2013. Last but not the least, we are going to Taipei. We are going to Taiwan, hopefully in the future. Thank you. Thank you. This original key will be able to attach your famous company Giant's bicycle. I think we will be back here to bring our compact bicycle sharing service, Kogu. Thank you. Thank you so much for allowing me to make a presentation. We hope you love the Kogu as much as we do. Thank you very much. Shay Shay.
Thank you very much. So the many audiences are very much interested, and if you'd like to be a partner to sell this new system, okay, please contact to him directly. Okay.
If you have any question,
Okay.
don't hesitate to
That's
ask.
okay. Facebook ID and Twitter ID. If you're interested in these services, It's a very cost-effective, space-effective solution. Okay, okay. Possibly many people in the world widely very much interested in this solution. Okay. Is there any comment?
Yes, I am very surprised at seeing the many bike and bicycle in Taipei. So I hope that this system will help the congestion in the city, many cities in the global world.
The Taiwan government related people is no. Yeah, I like to discuss real business there. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
Thank you so much. Okay, okay, let's move on. Wow, Techstream A Cube Special.
World. Technology. Leading edge. Information. World Techstream. Android Cafe International. Extremely exciting Vietnam. ISB Vietnam to expand mobile potential. ISB Vietnam to expand ICT capabilities. And ISB Vietnam to open future.
Hi, welcome back to Wow Techstream A Cube Special. Okay, we got three contest winners presentation. It's a very wonderful presentation. Yeah, we are very excited. The last presentation, the Kogu, the guy has already started the business meeting with the audience, you know. Okay, thank you very much, everybody. And first, A Cube will be continuously move to the next stage. And yeah, how about the future direction of A Cube, the contest?
Yeah, we are discussing with some partner companies regarding next version of our A-Cube event, including OESL.
Okay.
So please give us new good idea and new aggressive activities. So we want to discuss the future our
How do you
activities.
think about to move more worldwide content? It's now the only in Japan.
Yes.
But eventually, you know, to move to Taiwan and any Asia countries, that's too many people. Many people have a very good idea and a
I
very
hope
good
so.
technology. Yeah.
So that's our challenge as well.
Yeah.
It's very easy to operate in Japan domestic
Yeah.
But it's many difficulties to extend global activities. But
But
we
this is fine. You are here.
Yes,
We promote
yes.
your A-Cube to the world widely.
this
Yeah.
is the first step.
Okay.
So we hope
Yeah.
this activity will extend globally.
Okay, if some the companies would like to be a sponsor of A-Cube.
Especially a sponsor is very important.
Okay, all right. Some special sponsor and the donation, everything is acceptable. Okay. All right. Thank you very much to watching this special program. I would like to see you again the next time, and here in Taipei or any other the city in the world. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Goodbye.
谢谢。
谢谢。